Hey everyone, welcome back to Old Studio Car. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic, luxurious, and flamboyant classics ever made, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. If you're a fan of tailfins, chrome, and sheer American excess, this is the ride that wrote the book on it. In this video, we're going to give you a full breakdown of the 1959 Eldorado, its legendary exterior updates, performance, speed, fuel economy, and the most recent price estimates for collectors in 2025. So, let's get into why this car still turns heads over 6 decades later. The 1959 Cadillac Eldorado stands as one of the most recognizable and audacious designs in automotive history. This year's model was a drastic shift from earlier versions, and Cadillac went all in on style. The first thing anyone notices are those towering, sharp tailfins, arguably the tallest ever put on a production vehicle. Paired with bullet-shaped taillights, the rear of this car looked like a spaceship ready for liftoff. It wasn't just a car, it was a rolling statement. At the front, the wide chrome grille stretches almost the full width of the vehicle, with quad headlamps that enhance the car's bold and commanding presence. The long hood and elegant fender lines were Cadillac's way of telling the world that America had arrived in style. The Eldorado also featured Cadillac's signature gold Eldorado script, an extensive chrome trim around the Indo's bumpers, and rocker panels. This wasn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, the 1959 Eldorado was a powerhouse for its time. It came standard with a 390 cubic inch, 6.4-liter V8 engine that delivered 345 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed hydromatic automatic transmission, this engine offered smooth acceleration and effortless cruising. Despite its enormous size and weight, the Eldorado could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 11 seconds. Pretty impressive for a land yacht of its size. Top speed, you're looking at about 125 miles per hour. Now, we know that may not sound fast compared to modern cars, but for 1959, that was right up there with the best. The Eldorado was built more for grand touring than outright speed, offering a plush and stable ride even at higher speeds. Cadillac's engineers prioritized comfort, and the suspension was tuned to glide over rough roads like they didn't exist. As far as fuel economy goes, well, let's be honest, this wasn't the era of eco-friendly design. The 1959 averages around 8 to 10 miles per gallon. Yes, you heard that right. With its huge engine and massive frame, this beast was a gas guzzler through and through. But let's be real, no one bought an Eldorado for its fuel economy. They bought it because it was a symbol of success, class, and unmatched American luxury. Now, let's talk price. Back in 1959, the Eldorado Biarritz convertible had a factory price of around $7,400, which was a massive sum at the time, more than double what most cars cost. It was one of the most expensive vehicles on the road, competing with some European luxury brands. In today's market, depending on condition, originality, and whether it's a convertible or hardtop, a pristine example can fetch anywhere from $150,000 to over $250,000 at auctions. Restored models tend to attract collectors, while untouched, all original survivors are becoming harder and more valuable every year. The 1959 Eldorado isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of American history. It symbolizes an era when bigger was better, chrome was king, and style had no boundaries. It was Cadillac at its boldest, with a design that made other cars look plain. Even today, it's impossible to see a 59 Eldorado and not stare. Whether you're into classic car restoration, vintage cruising, or just admire automotive art, this Cadillac remains one of the most jaw-dropping icons ever built. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature of this legendary ride. Until next time, this is Old Studio Car, signing off.